This video, I'm going to show you how you can update Fashion Glow app. By updating Fashion Glow app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app, as well as fix any minor issues or errors that you might have been experiencing with Fashion Glow. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the latest version of Fashion Glow app, you need to go ahead and search for an update either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead look for Google Play Store app. So you should have Google Play Store app on your phone. Once you locate it, tap on it, log in with your email before you can search for your app. If you can see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it to activate search. From here, just search for your app by name. So I'll just search for Fashion Glow like this, and then tap on search. And as you can see, we have our app here. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, we have our Fashion Glow here, and we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Fashion Glow. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Fashion Glow. And once it is done downloading, it will replace the older one. And now you can proceed and start playing automatically from here, or go to your apps and start playing your Fashion Glow app. So that's how you can update Fashion Glow app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.